Hello and welcome to the ZXP extension installation tutorial. First of all, you should go to your After Effects 2019, which is required in order to work with this script, and check the Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network. After that, go to the zxpinstaller.com and download the appropriate extension version, whether you have a Mac or a Windows. After installing the ZXP installer, go to your download folder from Video Hive, for example here, and drag the ZXP builder, in this case, to the ZXP installer which is installed. After you drag the installer here, you should wait for the installation to complete it. Then go to your After Effects, go to the window extension and check the installed builder. In this case, the installer asks for permission to write the files. I hope this PremiumBuilder addition will help you make your project faster and better.